Okay, guys, we have to show you
Friday.
Okay, we have to show you guys something. Okay, sorry we haven't been doing a lot of videos. Oh man, I forgot to tell you my morning.
You want me to hold it?
I want to do my morning thing. Hello, it's Supergirl here. Sorry we couldn't show you like outside, but now we're gonna show you. My sister wants to show you something outside in the trampoline.
Just take it.
I might have to zoom in, Ellie. Okay, you guys can see that, right?
Happy.
I yell it louder.
Cartwheels be like, it's Friday. Sad cartwheels be like,
It's Monday.
Tuesday.
Well, actually, we like this Monday because we have off like a 4-day weekend. So yeah, that's the happy inside cartwheel. Who's gonna fight? Jack's gonna fight. Who's gonna fight? Taz is gonna fight. Who's gonna fight? Rocco's gonna fight. Where's Daisy? Yeah, we have the fire. Let's go! Let's go find Daisy. Let's go explore. Let's explore. Okay. My sister, Ellie, you can show your face.
Okay.
Photos. Okay. This is nature. Oh, this is squished worm.
That's in nature for you. Move your hand.
But
Squished worm.
it's a squished worm. Okay, there's worms right here.
That's also
there's
nature for you.
There's no nature in here. What the heck?
The other nature for you is
This one's probably good. This one.
nature be like,
There's no nature under this. Why is this happening to me now?
nature is awesome, isn't
I
it?
know. Yeah,
Nature
that
be
was
like-
creepy.
nature be like-
That was creepy. Okay,
Oh my
say
God.
down in the comment below if that was creepy, because in my
Yeah.
opinion, that was just.
That was the creepiest thing ever. Honestly, people, I think that centipede is gonna kill all the other bugs.
Oh my God.
Sorry for the you bug lovers out there.
Okay, we're probably gonna go soon. So
Yep.
say bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, we might mess up. Okay, so we're gonna try this. Bye. I messed up. Okay.